Hi, today is exciting and I would like to discuss about focus on IPA. IPA is income producing activity. The more you spend your time on income producing activity, it is going to create a grand impact in your life. So let's continue and dive into the topic. Yeah. So initially, I was doing things that were not income producing activities. So I changed my approach and started bringing a routine to give more time for IPA. So I thank Asia for this, for bringing this attitude in me. IPA is an attitude. You need to figure out what exactly will bring money for you. If you haven't figured out, follow the system. A simple method which I follow to focus on the IPA. Okay, the first thing I'm going to discuss is every model has a system. The most problem with people is they don't follow the system and start doing things on their own or let ego to come in between the way for creating this IPA. And the second point is find out and stick to the system. You need to have a mentor who can guide you exactly what needs to be done and then follow that religiously. If you're wondering and trying to find the right mentor, then you can approach Muhammad Yusuf. That's me. Without a mentor, it's going to be an unknown destination without a map. You will get lost and you will keep asking people on the way to figure out the way. So you may reach or you may not. So it depends, but most probably sometimes you get lost or sometimes you reach the destination. But look at the time, how much time you would take to reach there. I have gone through that path, so I know exactly how it is like. So going over the path, not knowing where exactly it is, and it's really a time consuming and a frustrating activity. So if you have a map, if you know the directions, and if you're going in the right path, it's going to make everything easier for you. And the third point is, what is your value proposal? When you try to make income online, your first priority should be to become the person of value. I know you might have heard this hundreds of times, but find your passion and keep thinking every time, how can I add value to the people inside and outside my team? That's for everyone. I mean, it's not necessarily for the people who are there inside your team, it's also for the people who are outside your team. Over the period of time, your outside team will get converted as an inside team. And the fourth point is, how can I attract people with the value I create? So of course you can. That's how it's been and that's how it will be. Look at Microsoft. You pay for the value. For example, someone who gives you the right information and consistently giving valuable information to you will go to do business with him. Of course you will do business and you have seen what exactly the person has done for you so far. It's only evident that he will continue the same. So look at Apple, the iMac industry, the smartphone industry was started by Apple. They are the pioneers. These are the people who really create a marvelous change in this industry. So there are lots of people who love Mac and have all the Mac products. It's not about the product, it's about the value given by the product. My fifth point is, be passionate about creating value. See, you have different passion, but you have to find how you can create value for the passion you have. Spend every single day some time to find what value means to you and what you can do with your skills and niche to provide value for others. Just ask yourself, how can I help others? It doesn't have to be phenomenal or mind blowing. Just step out, show up, and do what you can to add value every single day. Yes, yes, every single day. People connect with you when they see you consistently in giving value. And my sixth point is, stay consistent in giving value. See, when you provide value, we have to stay consistent in it. Stay consistent and keep things simple. Don't compare yourself to others. You are unique and do things with best of your abilities. You know what? Over the period of time, you will improvise and start giving wonderful value even without your knowledge. You just have to think, sit, and keep giving. You will see people coming from different walks of life and appreciate you for what you have done. I'm experiencing this, and that too in the early start of my online business. And you will see people rushing to you all the time. I want to mention about Seb Bradigan, a person I came to know from Facebook. He adds awesome value and connects with people. So are you. When you are there adding value in people's life, definitely you can see the change that you have got into that person. So every single person is adding value to what you are doing in the business. So my whole point is, you have to be consistent in what you are doing and what value you're adding to the people. So for me, I already see different people as an authority. Even I can say that you are also an authority. Greatness comes from what you do and how you feel when doing it. When you listen to different people's video, when you listen to your own video, so you will see that it's a great work. So life is simple. We all need to work and utilize our skills. So let's all work and utilize the God-given abilities and fulfill the purpose of our life. And that's all for today, guys, and see you tomorrow on the challenge. Thank you for listening to my video, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.